We are here today at Sinsina village over in Mali. The energy here is spectacular. 3,500 villagers in need of water. This is all possible thanks to you guys, your donations, your contributions. Everyone's excited, extravagant moment. Anticipation is extremely high. Any second now, we should get some clean water. Crops to grow, clean water to have. The gift of life, the gift of water, the gift of purity is finally delivered to 3,500 people for multiple generations to come. Alhamdulillah, this is absolutely a beautiful sight to see, a beautiful sight to be part of. Inshallah, you're rewarded for it. You made this all happen.